Barefoot Botanicals is a certified organic herb farm in southeast Pennsylvania. We've been growing herbs since 2008 for our community, breweries, bartenders, distillers, herbal manufacturers, and herbalists within our community. We've put together an introductory online course intended to demystify cannabis, its history, production, extraction, the endocannabinoid system, and herbal medicine making.
The purpose of this course is to help people understand the cannabis plant from an herbalist perspective.
As a participant in this program, we want to bring our farm to you. We will send you all the equipment and tools that you need to make high-quality, CBD-rich herbal medicine. This shipment will include our own certified organic, hand-harvested, and lab-tested medicinal hemp. This will all be delivered right to your door, from our farm to your home.
We're going to provide you with hand-harvested, sustainably, organically farmed cannabis that you can use to make your own medicine in your home kitchen under the guidance of our instructors.
This program was designed to answer questions and to put the power of the plants back into your hands.
At Barefoot Botanicals, we believe that plant medicine is people's medicine.